Hey y'all, Dr. J here. There's another topic as it relates to AI in the workforce that's occurring right now that's going around the stratosphere. And this one really geeks me up because it has to do with training and how companies are using AI to scrub performance data to isolate areas of development that employees need. And I can see the doom and gloomers, what they may say, but I'm going to lean really heavy into what a great idea this is. Anybody who knows me knows that I'm a huge proponent of employee training. You're never going to get the best out of your people if you don't develop them. Once upon a time, we used to hire people for their intellect and train them how to be great employees for the companies. And now we just expect everybody to come in and run. Why? Well, because training is one of the first things that gets cut in bottom line. So the companies that invest in training are truly companies that are investing in their employees. So I am all geeked up on anything that has to do with developing your people. My Uncle Roy used to say that a company's greatest asset is the undeveloped potential of its people. 40 years ago, we totally understood this as a Western society, and now we've gone to you either come in trained or you're getting canned, or you're not even getting hired. And just don't I mean that's a whole other. That'll take me 45 minutes of discussion to cover that one. But the point here is it's really great that we have companies that are using these tools to isolate training needs as a way to augment their manager, right? They're calling it the AI coach. And as an augmentation to a manager, if you've actually taught your manager how to manage employees, then what a great tool to give this manager to help isolate areas of development for people. Now, the rub here is, and the ultimate rub, is it depends on the AI model, right? Is this a large language model that's just scrubbed the world? Or is it a large language model that is built off of the data, the policies, procedures, mission, vision of that company, right? If the cultural ethos is integrated into that model, as well as the tactical way to do the job, then the training that comes out of that will be closer aligned to what you actually need. I always recommend a visual scrub. Listen, AI is not going to replace humans. Humans who know how to use AI will replace humans. So if you've actually developed a training model based on your cultural ethos and your tactical skill set, then amen. And I really want to lean in on that. Your cultural ethos training is perhaps more important than your tactical training. So make sure you're doing both if you want to get the most out of your employees. All right, I wish you all the best today. Peace to you.